Alexander.
We are Charles Gaming, and we've decided to make a YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and like the video.
Yeah.
Everyone who subscribes and writes done will be in a 25k pack.
You're gonna write. You
have to write down
in the comments below.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. So we are going to the packs now. Okay.
Okay.
In the first pack we get. Let's see.
Woo! Danish man! Okay, this is the next pack. This is Messi. We got
Please,
Messi.
Messi, guess us something good. Traore.
Shit, man.
Actually, it's actually nice page back.
Oh,
That's
good.
This
Beautiful.
fuck yes. And he gives us shit as well. Brown City.
New snips.
Snips of my skip. Oh! We get Iniesta and Kuit! Same bag! That's actually a
good bag!
Yeah! Iniesta and Kuit in the same bag! That's
beautiful!
That's decent! That's very decent! Oh my god.
Yeah.
And a twiper! Yeah!
I'm gonna sweat too.
I'm not looking! We get Insigne and Johnson. Let's just keep on going till we get someone good again.
Skip.
Tomorrow. Oh fuck. Let's try again.
I'm gonna skip with the nose. Skip.
Calvin. Oh, that's pacey actually. That's decent. Tim Howard from the USA. Come on, give us something good. Help us. Oh god. Please be something good. Please be fucking shit. Try again. Alaba, come on, help us. Help us, Alaba. Please.
I'm gonna take the last pack.
Last pack.
Please. That's
Don't. Firmal, that's okay.
No.
And we oh god. Shiki.
Why?
1k, that's
Oh, I'm rich now.
Let's go to 100k.
Let's go to the beach. Each, let's get away.
Give
Night. No more.
We're gonna go to the 100.
No.
Come on.
Okay. I'm gonna take 2.
Okay.
Why no? Why? Skip.
My turn.
Bruh.
TV off, don't look over there, And we get... Who do we get? Please be someone good? Trash. Retard. What's it?
Why?
Messi, give us something good. How can we get 6 players and they're all shit? Like, oh my god. Skip. Oh, fuck. They're 8 rated, but they're fucking shit.
Oh my god, that pace. Bruh.
That defense. Shit. God damn it. Oh my god. Try again. Yeah.
Last pack, and I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna turn off the TV, and now I'll skip. Okay. What do we get?
I'm gonna just gonna see.
Please.
Something good?
Shit!
Det er sikkert. Kavler! Fuck.
Okay. What the fuck I'm doing?
What the fuck? Yeah, retard alert.
Yeah.
Those are our pack opening.
Yeah, that was our pack opening.
That was our pack opening.
Bro.
And remember to subscribe and like the video.
Yeah.
And I'll see you next. Fuck you. I'll see you next time.